As I, Queen Cleopatra the Seventh, Philopator, sit upon my throne of gold and jewels, the sun sets over the shimmering waters of the Nile. The air is heavy with the scent of jasmine and sandalwood, a welcome respite from the dusty heat of the Egyptian desert. My heart beats steadily in my chest as I ponder the future of my kingdom. The night before, I had received word that Caesar, the great Roman general and politician, was on his way to Egypt. My heart raced at the thought of meeting him, for I knew that he held the power to secure my throne against the treacherous forces that sought to claim it for their own. As I prepare for my audience with Caesar, I am surrounded by the finest offerings of my kingdom. Golden vessels filled with sweet wine, plates piled high with succulent fruits and fragrant spices, and servants clad in silken garments. But as beautiful as all this is, it pales in comparison to the vision of Caesar himself. The sun has now set completely, and the sky is a canvas painted with stars. I hear the sound of horses' hooves approaching, and my heart quickens further. The doors to my throne room are flung open, revealing Caesar dressed in a simple tunic, his dark eyes piercing through the darkness. "Cleopatra," he greets me, his voice like the rumble of thunder cry. I can't help but be captivated by him, this man who commands the might of Rome. We exchange pleasantries discussing the beauty of Egypt and the power of its Nile. But beneath the surface, I know that there is more at stake than just polite conversation. Caesar speaks of his desire to expand Rome's influence beyond its current borders. He sees Egypt as a valuable asset, and he wants me to be his ally. I know that this could mean security for my kingdom, but it also means submitting myself to the will of Rome. The thought is both exhilarating and terrifying. As we sit together on the throne, our hands touching, I cannot deny the connection between us. His touch sends a jolt through me, and I find myself lost in his eyes. In this moment, I make my decision. I will align myself with Caesar, for the sake of my kingdom, and for the love of this man who has captured my heart. But as our alliance grows stronger, whispers begin to spread throughout Egypt. Some see me as a traitor, a queen who has sold out her people to Rome. Others see me as a savior, a queen who has secured their future. I cannot please everyone, and I know the road ahead will be fraught with challenges. But as long as I have Caesar by my side, I know that I can face anything. Together we will rule the world, and I will ensure that the legacy of Cleopatra the Seventh Philopator lives on for eternity.